In an experiment, a student measures four quantities. Which of these is a vector? The mass of an object. Okay, look at the mass. Mass is a scalar, right? The time taken for a pendulum to complete an oscillation. Time taken is also a scalar. What do I need? I need only a vector. Rate of change of velocity of a falling object. There is a velocity, is a rate. Whenever in any quantity, when there is a rate, which means take up this value, velocity, okay, change of velocity, which is nothing but delta v, right? And rate means divide this by time. What is delta v by t? Delta v by t is nothing but v minus u divided by t. What is this value? This is your acceleration. Is acceleration a vector or a scalar? It's always a vector. So therefore, C is the right answer. Energy transferred when water is heated. Energy transferred, okay, E. When water is heated, energy is, what is energy? Here also we looked at energy in the previous question. Energy is a scalar. So this is a scalar. So this is also incorrect. That's the right answer, C.